Today we're making buttery jalapeno bread. First we're going to activate the yeast. Place in a warm, dry place for 10 minutes or until it doubles in size. Add it to 2 cups of all-purpose flour, along with 3 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 large egg, a teaspoon of salt. Mix it all up until it's well combined. Once it's nice and sticky, cover and let it rest for 1 hour, or until it doubles in size. Flour your work surface. Gently fold it until you have a nice round ball of dough. Using your rolling pin, roll it out to a 12 to 14 inch round. Add 2 tablespoons of butter to the top of the dough. Add diced pickled jalapenos and Mexican blend cheese. Cut into small triangles and roll them like if you were rolling a croissant. Arrange them in your prepared pan. Cover and let them rest for 30 more minutes. After 30 minutes, scramble 1 egg, spread it over your bread, add more Mexican blend cheese, bake at 350 degrees for 30 minutes, and enjoy.